On today's video, I'm going to show you how I get through a day as a truck driver. I'm going to show you how to survive, how to have patience, and what to do in certain situations. So stay tuned and check it out. I got some good stuff coming up for you. Good morning, y'all. Well, it's Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025. So we ended up staying at this rest area. I didn't want to chance it because of the parking situation. And I found water. And I had a burrito. I found it in my freezer, so it was like, God's telling me, you better stay here. This is where you got parking. So that's what we did. It looks beautiful today. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Hey, blue skies. Now, when it's like that, I can handle the snow. It's just when it's foggy and snowing and ice on the roads and you're sliding, it's just, that's too much. But anyways, I checked the temperature on my dashboard in my truck before I got out, and it's 36 degrees. So, alright guys, I'm gonna let the boys finish doing their thing, and then we'll jump back up in I don't know what the name of that truck is yet. Haven't thought about it lately, I don't know. But we'll be jumping up in there and getting on the road. So, see you in a bit. Alright, Rigaronis, here we are. Got a blowout on my trailer. Trying to limp into Love's. Yeah, my tire is shattered. I don't know why. There we go. Figure out where I'm gonna go here. I guess. Anyways, yeah. Trailer tire again. And we're pulling into the Love Shack. See if they will get us in and out of here.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at Love's truck stop on the left.
So yeah, it is 11:38 a.m. 36 degrees, rolling on a flat. All right, so that's what I got for now. I'll show you guys the damage. Yeah. There you go. Tore up mud flat. Yeah. There you go with your frickin' retreads. Alright guys, we just pulled out the shop. What the? Go back here and let's double check everything. And it's slippery out here. Whew. So yeah. So those are recaps. So you can see right there is where this is all the cap they put on there. That's how long those last. And we get to advertise the Love Shack. Why don't they give discounts for advertising their name? Pretty good sales gimmick though, right? Anyway, so we're getting back up on the road. I'm gonna go inside there and get me a little something to eat. I don't have anything. These boys are ready to rock and roll. Yeah, I'll get you down in a minute. I'm gonna run into Love's and get us something to eat. All right. Love you too. Say hi out to all the Rigaronis. Yeah. Say hi, Rigaronis. All right, guys. We'll be back. Yeah, when you're out here on these open roads like this, these little 2-lane highways, I mean, there's nothing on either side. This is where you got to entertain yourself. You know, sometimes I'll listen to music on Sirius XM. That way I don't lose signal. Think about, like, things to do lists, you know, like make yourself a grocery list when you go to Walmart. That's where I shop to save money. I also go to the Dollar Tree. What's the other one called? Dollar Tree and another one. Anyways, the little discount stores. Usually find those in the little small towns. But if you're new to trucking, I've been out here 9 years now, and there's a lot to learn. I never thought it was, you know, I thought I kind of knew it all at the beginning because I went to trucking school, and yeah, there's a lot more to learn. Like this morning, I've learned a long time ago, but I forgot. But when you're driving through the snow, and you got all that snow going up inside your wheels and up in your brakes, when you stop, do not set your trailer brakes. Because what happens when you set your trailer brake, that snow and that water freezes onto your brake. So that was one of the issues I had with that blown out tire I had earlier that I showed you. So just set your tractor brake and leave your trailer brake not engaged. That way in the morning when you wake up after your 10-hour reset, when you get ready to go, you don't have to drag your trailer and your tires are not turning, because that's rough on the tire. And when your tires are already in bad shape, it doesn't take much, as we found out today. So on today's lesson, I'm letting you know about rolling in the wintertime, and don't set your trailer brake. It will save you headaches. A lot of old timers out there will get under there and pound them with a freaking hammer, and I'm 59 years old, and I'm telling you right now, do I want to bend down in the snow with a freaking sledgehammer? Did you guys hear about that plane that crashed in Fullerton? Yeah, it landed inside of a big warehouse. Check this out.
We do have some breaking news out of Fullerton, California. I want to put this tweet up here. Take a look at this. All right, Fullerton PD say an active incident is ongoing right now. Plane crash there in the 2300 block of Raymer Avenue. I believe we have aerials of that. The media staging area they set up there, also they say evacuations are underway. So it does look like Skyfox is over this plane crash there near Fullerton, California. And we have it here. Let's take that. All right, so live picture there. You see some emergency management vehicles responding to this right now. So what we know is there is a potential small plane that has crashed into a building. Looks to be some type of warehouse or distribution facility there. You see that black gash smack in the center of it. From what we believe, that is where the plane went down. So we are just coming to this. As you know, this is what we do here on Live Now from Fox. We bring you these scenes. This is one we just got up. And that's what we know right now. So this is out of Fullerton, California. That's in Orange County, if you're not familiar with Southern California. So potentially a small plane has crashed into a building there. And we just lost the shot. So we do apologize there. Let's go back to the tweet. So if we hear anything more from Fullerton PD, we'll bring that to you kind of in the guise of a press conference or what have you. So they say a plane crashed there in the 2300 block of Raymer. They say evacuations are underway. They say avoid the area. So just want to correct here. Not a potential plane crash, a plane crash, according to Fullerton PD. So it's something that we're going to stay on top of. In the meantime here, let's take it back. Actually, we have it. Actually, let's take this up to the top of the hour. We have the aerials back, and this is live. So this is 25 miles southeast of downtown Los Angeles. Just trying to get our geographic bearings here for those of you not from California or Southern California. So take a look at that. Now, from what we understand, what we're presuming here, this black gash, this hole in the middle of this seems to be some type of warehouse or distribution facility, is possibly where the plane went down. Not entirely sure how many people were on the plane or if it was just piloted by one person. All those details have not been gleaned right now. But you see there, look at that, about 4 ambulances on the scene. All right, we have a new tweet in, new updates from our friend there at Fox 11 in Los Angeles, Matthew Seedorf, reporter saying, kind of reiterating what Fullerton PD had already said to us, that a plane has crashed into a building in Fullerton. Back out live there to Fullerton. So he says the building is engulfed in flames, at least from the outside. We don't see that right now. That could be different inside the building. We don't know. Obviously, we're not looking inside the building. But from the outside, from that vantage point, we're not seeing any flames. We're seeing some kind of emanations of smoke, but nothing to warrant saying that this is engulfed in flames. It most likely was, as you can see, kind of the black scarring there from where this crash occurred. And you see there the water being doused on it. So
Fullerton Municipal Airport is right next to it.
All right, so we're being told that Fullerton Municipal Airport is right next to this building, this distribution facility, warehouse type building. I'm not entirely sure, but that's it's kind of what it looks like. That's what we're going to be terming it. But you see a lot of the firefighters kind of commiserating, gathering. So we'll just have to wait and see whether Fox 11 is going to the scene there. On the ground, I should say. They're obviously overhead. And hopefully we can get a more detailed, fuller update from authorities or reporters. But you can see there kind of the gaping hole in the roof where presumably the plane crashed. Now, we don't know how many people were on the plane.
So welcome aboard. Fasten your seatbelt. Come along the ride with Bo, Luke, and I. All right, guys. Thank you.